Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can sign into your Zangi Messenger account. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open up the Zangi Messenger app on your phone. If you don't have it, you can download it from the Play Store. Go ahead and open it. And if you don't have your account, you can just simply go to register and register for a new Zangi account. Or else if you already have your phone number and your password to your account, just click on sign in. So you can see sign in right here. So click on sign in, and the next thing you want to do is write down your phone number. So if you had previously signed in to your Zangi account, you can see the phone number being displayed over here. So if it is not displayed, make sure that you took a screenshot of your number, because without the number you cannot log into your account. So you can go to the screenshot and you can copy the number. So you can just go ahead and copy the number and then paste the number right here in this box. So after you paste it, click next. The next thing you want to do is write down the password to your Zangi account. If you don't remember it, you can reset it later as well. But if you know it, just go ahead and keep it. Check your password by clicking on this eye icon and click next. After you're done, you can now see that you have successfully signed into your Zangi Messenger app. I hope this video about how you can sign into your Zangi Messenger account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.